Okay, so today we are going to see of the theme option and which is available in the view section, and over here we have the themes. So we have different kinds of themes available inbuilt. Okay, let's say if I choose this theme, it will change the color. See, okay, let's say if I use this one again, it will change the color like this. Okay, so whatever the theme you are using, it will change the color accordingly. Okay, and why we require the themes? The themes we require because at organizational level, we have to put a report in a same format, same color code combination. Whatever report you are going to develop. It's not like that one person using red color, other green, then third one yellow. So it's not going to work out. Okay, so that's why we require the theme, and it will save our lot of times. Okay. Next, what you have to understand from here, this option. Okay, so if you click on this, it is our default, means whatever the report we have developed earlier, it comes under the default state C. Okay, and let's consider if you want to add more themes, then you have to click over here. Apart from this inbuilt, we have more theme as well. Then click on this theme gallery. Okay, so it will move us in the Microsoft site called as Microsoft Community. Okay, so this one community.power.bi. And over here we have the various things. Okay, so let me take this first one, theme gallery. And yes, in earlier days we have to have the JSON developers to create this theme for us. But nowadays Microsoft has added one property where you can use the that property called as custom theme, and you can change the themes. Okay, so this file you have to use. Okay, novels analytics dot JSON file. Okay, so download it. So I had downloaded. Now next, what you have to do? You have to go over here one more time. Okay, and I will tell you the usage of this. Okay, so over here you have the various kinds of themes and the reports. So two things we can take from these particular sites. One, the structure which they have done and the color code combination what they have used for their report. Okay, so you can add your own data and create such kind of nice report. So two reference will get from this site. One, our JSON file. Second, the report reference, how the other people has done this report. Okay. So we have downloaded the theme. Now, if I want to use that theme, I can use it. Okay, on this. But be careful if you are using on this particular report, then what going to happen? Let me show you. Click on this view section, theme, browse for theme, and use our theme which we have downloaded. Okay, downloads, theme, open. Now see what's going to happen. See color code combination. First color is our green, but it's still showing the black. Why? Because we are using existing file. Okay, I don't want to use existing file. So in short, whenever you are going to use the theme, the basic rule before development, you have to pull that theme in your report. Okay, and then you can start your reporting things. It's not like that you have created the report, your report is done, and now you are going to add the thing. So it's not going to work out properly. Okay, so just click on this Power BI desktop tool, open it. And again, the purpose of this thing, it will save you a lot of time. Okay, you don't need to take care about the color code combination, font size, background color, and everything, which is covered by this theme only. So let it come, let it open this tool, and I will show you how to utilize that theme which we have downloaded. Okay, just close this one, which we already saw. Okay, so very first, what we want from this, we want the data. So let's take the data, cell workbook, desktop, this file. Okay, and after adding the data, as I mentioned, before starting the report, we have to take that theme in our report canvas. Okay, then how to do that? I will show you. Let's first load this data. Okay, loaded. So once it's loaded, okay, over here, taking time. Take it down. Okay, so data has been added over here. If you see, okay, is the sheet one, and let it from that column details. Okay, so column is there. Now what? Before starting the reporting, we have to add that theme. Then click on view, click on this button. Okay, this button. Then browse for theme, which is available on the download section. In my case, open. Okay, once we added, see, automatically this color has been changed. Page color showing black. Okay, now what you have to do? You have to wait a little bit. We'll get one message. This one, the theme was imported successfully, and now you can start your report. So let's take stack column chart. Okay, and just increase the size like this, and take the column name and the salary. Okay, now see, I'm not adding any color and nothing. I'm just added these two columns, and see, color code combination, font color automatically change. Okay, now if I go over here, sort by axis by name, to see how it looks like. Okay, same thing we can do for the other visual as well. Let's say I will take this donut chart. Okay, and in donut chart, I'm putting gender wise. And let's see, automatically it change. Okay, female, male. So 66% we are paying salary to the female and 33% for the male. Okay, also you can take any visual, let's say bar chart, and if I put over here, and let's say on the basis of last name, I want to see the salary. So very quickly it will show. See, so within 3 clicks, I had created this report in a nice manner. Okay, so that is the use of this theme. So you don't need to take care about these colors, font size. Everything can be taken care by this theme. Okay, now next what we have. As I mentioned earlier days, we want this JSON developer. Now what Microsoft does, they have added this customize current option. Okay, where you can customize your themes. Let's say over here, first color is green. Let's say I want to change this green color with the other. So I can do easily like this. Okay, blue, and then just apply. Okay, see, now it has been changed. And if you want this theme in future perspective, click over here and click on this save current theme. Okay, give the name and save it. Okay, so For future perspective, I can use this color code combination. Okay. And also you can do lot many things by using this customize current theme. Let's say if you don't like this second color, you can change it. Okay, this one. Okay. You can change any, then text if you want to change, font size and all, page background. Okay. Then visual effects. Okay, filter pane. So these all options are available over here. If you want to change, you can. Okay. That is one property which we have in the theme. So yes, it's again very important topics theme. Okay. After that, we have page view, which we already saw. Fit to page, always we use. If you want fit to width, you can take fit to width. Then actual size if you want. Okay, but generally we put fit to page. If you want to convert into the mobile layout, you can. Okay, in the mobile layout option. Then after that, we have grid lines and the snap to grid. Okay, in earlier days, we have to be aware about this option. Okay, where we can sync this visual with the other visual by using this dotted line. If you see at the back end. But nowadays we have this virtual line there, so it will solve our lot of issues. See, just take this visual and map with the other visual. So if you use this, not use, that is fine nowadays. Next, we have lock objects. By using lock objects, you can lock your visual. See, if you done the reporting, you cannot move after locking this. Okay, so you can uncheck this. Filters, this section. Okay, if you don't want this filters pane over here, you just click over here. It will not available now. If you want, you can take like this, or else you can do like this as well. If you want to play with your report canvas area, see, okay, like this. Both option available with us. Okay, bookmark selection and the sync slicer we already saw. Okay, regarding performance analyzer, so it will give the opportunity to us which visual is taking how much time. So click on start recording and then refresh visual. It will show in the millisecond duration. Okay, see salary by name, it's taking that much, then below. Okay, last name, and it's showing the in detail. Okay, if you don't want, stop it. And according to that, you can think on it. If it's taking longer time, then you can optimize it. Okay, this is all about this view section over here. Okay, also we have this help tab over here. Help, as I mentioned earlier, if you want to see the which version of Power BI you are using, you can click on this about. Okay, and you have to tell the client, yeah, this is what the version which I am using, November 22. Okay, and there are other options to learn, let's say training videos, documentation, support, blogs, which is available in the help section. Okay, that's it for today then.